release around this time next year. This is Megan Whelan.
And that's Radio New Zealand International Dateline Pacific. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Thanks, John. John Wiseman with Dateline Pacific. That's late edition for Monday, the 18th of October. After the news at 11, our regular date blues on Monday night, Beale Street Caravan, featuring Tad Robinson, Tampa Bay Blues Festival, Lil Buck Senegal on the legendary Rhythm and Blues Cruise as well. New Yorker Tad Robinson is a fine soul singer, no slouch on monitor either. He has more than a little experience with 30 years in the business. He's gathered an excellent band to support him. So, well worth staying with us. Also, Little Buck's been playing guitar with Buckwheat Zalika for years and doing a superb job at that. This time, I think he's with his own band and a few things, people friends there, I think, to help him out. Tampa Bay Blues Festival is well known. Blues fans will know that it's been running since about 1995. Staged at the scenic Vinod. Radio New Zealand International is now closing on this frequency. In a few moments we'll be opening transmission on 6170 kHz in the 49-metre band. Once again, in a few moments we'll be opening transmission on 6170 kHz in the 49-metre band. This is New Zealand.